Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. Students, we have completed the chapter Kantakena Iva Kantakam. In today's session, we are going to discuss the Abhyasaha or the exercise based on the chapter Kantakena Iva Kantakam. So let's get started. Question number 1. Ekapadena uttaram likhata. Answer in one word. The first question is Vyadhasya nama kim asit. What was the name of the hunter? And the answer is Chanchalaha. The next question is Chanchalaha Vyaghram kutra drushtavan. Where did Chanchal see the tiger? And the answer is Jale. The next question is Kasmai kimapi akaryam na bhavati. For whom nothing is inappropriate. And the answer is Kshudhartaya. The next question is Badari Gulmanam Prushthe Ka Nilina Asit. Who was hiding behind the shrub of berry? And the answer is Lomashika. The next question is Sarvaha Kim Samihate. What is it that everyone wants to fulfill? And the answer is Swartham. And the last question is Nissahayo Vyadhaha Kimayachata. Students, there is a printing mistake in this question. The question should be Nissahayo Vyaghraha Kimayachata. What did the helpless tiger beg for? And the answer is Prana Bhiksham. I hope you have understood all the answers. Now let's see the next question. Question number 2. Purna Vakyena Uttarata. Answer in a complete sentence. The first question is Chanchalena Vane King Krutam. What did Chanchal do in the forest? And the answer is Chanchalena Vane Jalam Vistaritam. The next question is Vyagrasya Pipasa Katham Shanta Abhavat. How was the thirst of the tiger quenched? And the answer is Chanchalena Anitam Nadyaha Jalam Pitva Vyagrasya Pipasa Shanta Abhavat. The next question is Jalam Pitva Vyagraha Kim Avadat. What did tiger say after drinking water? And the answer is Jalam Pitva Vyagraha Avadat Shanta me Pipasa Sampratam Bubhukshitosmi Idanim Aham Tvam Khadishyami iti. The next question is Chanchalaha Matru Swasaha iti Kam Sambodhitavan. Whom did Chanchal address as mother's sister? And the answer is Chanchalaha Matru Swasaha iti Lomashikam Sambodhitavan. And the last question is Jale Punah Baddham Vyaghram Društva Vyadhaha Kim Akarot. What did the hunter do after seeing the tiger stuck in the net again? And the answer is Jale Punah Baddham Vyaghram Društva Vyadhaha Prasannaha Bhutva Gruham Pratyagachat. Now let's see the next question. Question number 3. Adholikhitani Vakyani Kah Athava Ka Kam Athava Kam Prati Kathayati. Who said to whom? The one who says something should be in Prathama Vibhaktihi, and the one to whom something is said should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. One example is given here. Idanim aham tvam khadishyami. It is said by the tiger, so the word Vyagraha is used in Prathama Vibhaktihi, and it is said to the hunter, so the word Vyadham is used in Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. Let's see the questions. The first one is Kalyanam Bhavatute, and it is said by Vyagraha to Vyadham. The next sentence is Janaha Mai Snanam Kurvanti. It is said by Nadi Jalam to vyadham. The next question is, aham tvatkrute dharmam acharitavan tvaya mithya bhanitam. This sentence is said by Vyadhah to the tiger, Vyagram. Yatra kutrapi chedanam kurvanti. It is said by Vrukshah to the hunter, so Vyadham. Samprati punah punah kurdanam krutva darshaya. It is said by Lomashika to Vyagram. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. Rekhankitam padamadhrutya prashna nirmanam kuruta. Frame questions using the underlined words. The first sentence is, Vyadhah Vyagram Jalat Bahihi Nirasarayat. Jalat is used in Panchami Vibhaktihi Ekavachanam and it is a Napunsakalingi Shabd. So the Prashna Vakyam is, Vyadhah Vyagram Kasmat Bahihi Nirasarayat. The next sentence is, Chanchalah Vruksham Upagamya Apruchat. The word Vruksham is a Pullingi Shabd and it is used in Dvitiya Vibhaktihi Ekavachanam. So the Prashna Vakyam is, Chanchalah Kam Upagamya Apruchat. The next sentence is, Vyagraha Lomashikayai Nikhilam Katham Nyavedayat. Students, here the word should be Vyadhah, not Vyagraha. Lomashika is a feminine word and in the sentence it is used in Chaturthi Vibhaktihi Ekavachanam. So the Prashna Vakyam is, Vyadhah Kasyai Nikhilam Katham Nyavedayat. The next sentence is, Manavaha Vrukshanam Chhayayam Viramanti. Vrukshanam, this word is used in Shashti Vibhaktihi Bahuvachanam. So the Prashna Vakyam is, Manavaha Kesham Chhayayam Viramanti. The last sentence is, Vyagraha Nadyaha Jalena Vyadhasya Pipasam Shamayat. Students, there is a printing mistake in the sentence. It should be, Vyadhah Nadyaha Jalena Vyagrasya Pipasam Shamayat. The word Nadyaha is used in Shashti Vibhaktihi Ekavachanam. So the Prashna Vakyam is, Vyadhah Kasyaha Jalena Vyagrasya Pipasam Shamayat. Now let's see the next question. Question number 5. Manjushataha padani chitva katham purayata. Complete the story choosing the words from the box. First, let's try to understand the meanings of the words given in the box. Vruddhaha means old. Krutavan means made. Akasmat means suddenly. Drushtva means seeing or having seen. Mochayitum means to release or to set free. Sattahasam means laughing loudly. Kshudraha means small. Tarhi means then. Swakiyaihi means with one's own. And Kartanam means cutting. Let's see the story. Ekasmin vane ekah dash vyagraha asit. In a forest there was an old tiger. The word for old is vruddhaha, so the answer to the first blank is vruddhaha. Saha ekada vyadhena vistarite jale baddhaha abhavat. Once he got stuck in the net spread by a hunter. Saha bahu prayasan dash kintu jalat muktaha na bhavat. He made lots of efforts, means he tried a lot, but couldn't get out of it. The word which is missing here is krutavan. Dash tatra ekah mushakah samagachat. Suddenly a mouse came there. The word which is missing here is akasmat. Baddham vyagram dash sahatam avadat. On seeing the tiger stuck in the net, he said to him. The word which is missing here is drushtva. Aho, bhavan jale baddhah. Oh, you are stuck in the net. Aham tvam dash ichhami. I want to set you free. The word which is missing in the sentence is mochayitum. Tachrutva vyagraha dash avadat. Tachrutva, on hearing it, the tiger laughed loudly and said. So the word for laughing loudly is sattahasam. Tachrutva vyagraha sattahasam avadat. Are, tvam dash jivaha mama sahayyam karishyasi. The tiger heard it, and laughing loudly, he said, Oh, a small animal like you will help me. The word which is missing in the sentence is kshudraha. Yadi tvam mam mochayishyasi dash aham tvam na hanishyami. If you will set me free, then I will not kill you. The word which is missing in the sentence is then, that is tarhi. Mushakah dash lagudantaihi tajjalasya dash krutva tam vyagram bahihi krutavan. Mushakah swakiyaihi lagudantaihi. With his small teeth, tajjalasya dash krutva kartanam krutva tam vyagram bahihi krutavan. The meaning of the sentence is, the mouse cut the net with his small teeth and brought the tiger out of the net. I hope you have understood it. Question number 6. Yatha nirdesham uttarata. Answer according to the instruction. The first question is, Sah lomashikayai sarvam katham nyavedayat. Asmin vakye visheshana padam kim? What is the visheshana pada in the given sentence? And the answer is, Asmin vakye visheshanam sarvam iti asti. The next question is, Aham tvatkrute dharmam acharitavan. Atra aham iti sarvanamapadam kasmai prayuktam. For whom is the pronoun aham used in the sentence? And the answer is, Atra aham iti sarvanamapadam chanchalaya prayuktam. The next question is, Sarvaha swartham samihate. Asmin vakye kartrupadam kim? What is the subject in the given sentence? And the answer is, Asmin vakye sarvaha iti kartrupadam asti. The next question is, Sa sahasa chanchalam upasrutya kathayati. Vakyat ekam avyaya-padam chitva likhata. Students, we have to write one avyaya-pada used in the sentence. And the answer is, Atra avyaya-padam sahasa iti vartate. And the last question is, Ka varta mam api vidnyapaya asmin vakye kriya-padam kim? Kriya-padasya pada-parichayam api likhata. Students, we have to identify a verb of the sentence and we have to write the pada-parichaya of it. So the answer is, Asmin vakye vidnyapaya iti kriya-padam asti, and the pada-parichaya of this kriya-padam is vi upsargah plus jna dhatuh plus unich pratyayah, and it is used in lot lakarah madhyam purushah ekavachanam. I hope you have understood it. Let's see the next question. Question number 7a. Udaharananusaram rikta sthanani purayata. Students, we have to fill in the blanks with the proper forms of matru and swasru. Matru and swasru, both the words are rukaranta strilingi shabd. Let's see the forms of swasru in prathama vibhakti. Swasa, swasarau, swasarah. Tritiya vibhakti forms of swasru are swasra, swasrubhyam, swasrubhihi. Saptami vibhakti forms of the word matru are matari, matruho, matrushu, and Shashti Vibhakti forms of the word matru are matuhu, matruho, matrunam. As both the words are declined in the same way, it is easier to learn these tables by heart. Let's see the next question. Question number 7a. Dhatum pratyayam cha likhata. Students, some forms are given here and we have to write the dhatuhu and pratyayah separately. One example is given here. Gantum, it has gam dhatuhu plus tumun pratyayah. Drashtum, it has drush dhatuhu plus tumun pratyayah. Karaniyam, it has kru dhatuhu plus aniyar pratyay. Patum, it has pa dhatuhu plus tumun pratyayah. Khaditum, it has khat dhatuhu plus tumun pratyayah. And krutva, it has kru dhatuhu plus tva pratyayah. Students, we will learn the tumun pratyay in detail afterwards. That brings us to the end of the presentation. We will meet again with a new topic. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamah.